Yo guys, anyways, I'm gonna go straight to the point. So obviously I do have my McLaren 650S here. So I have a CAA truck, try to tow it to put it in the flatbed, but I can't. I've been here for like 3 hours. As you can see, my eyes, it's like minus 14. It feels like minus 28. And my freaking, I can't even move my lips, yo. Due to COVID, they won't even let me in the car. That's the CAA rule. They won't let me in the car. So they brought the next driver to try to help me out get my car towed. So what the issue is, I can't get it to release on the handbrake. So I'm gonna switch the camera real quick. Alright, so boom. I do have the towing hook right there. As y'all can see, I do have snow on it. I took out the battery, which is a pain in the fucking ass. Let me show you the pain you gotta go through in order for you to get to the battery. Okay? So everything works, but you can't release the handbrake. That's the messed up part with this. So over here, I'm gonna try to. So you see, that's the battery right there. So you have to plug it there to charge it. You have the trickle charger over here, but none of that's working. So that's like the entire thing. So that's the only charger over here.
Huh?
That's the only way you could charge it, but you can't charge it. It's gonna take like probably an hour or so for you to charge it. You can't charge it. And you need the 12 volt, obviously.
Huh?
Yeah. So just what do you have? How are you gonna tow it?
You need to tow the car, this one.
Sorry?
You need to tow the car. You're not going for my car.
I don't understand.
You're not going for my track. You go to suppose on the bed, man. This car is not going on my track.
Do you have the wheels that you can put it in the back?
I put it on the back. You have.
No, cause he can't tow it. He can't put it on the flatbed because you can't release the handbrakes.
I do for that. This is gone. I don't know.
You know, so you can't release the handbrakes on this.
I put dolly on the back. The tire is not rolled. It's okay. I put the dolly on the back, but it's supposed to go on the bed.
I know it's supposed to go on the bed, but you can't put it on the bed without the handbrakes.
I told you I put the dolly on the back. The
Okay.
tire is.
Oh, so he can roll it on the bed?
Yeah.
Okay, so he's gonna come back?
No, he gone. I don't know.
Did you tell him that or no?
I tell him that he didn't listen. He called in here, the CS in me just go to load it for him.
Okay, so can you call him back?
Need help to load.
Okay, so can you call him back?
I can't call him. I don't know why he's coming, why he go.
No, because he said he need a gas. So
No, you don't need the gas. You just pull it and go. Why you need the gas?
okay, so can you call him so he can come back?
I can't call him.
Oh, you can't call him.
I don't have his number.
But can you call the CAA so they can talk to him?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just called them. Yo, guys, this is so fucking complicated, eh? Like, after this, yo, honestly, I'm done with this. No cap. I've been here for 3.5 hours, 4 hours. Like as y'all can see, I do have my windows is open. I couldn't even close that, which is messed up. Though got this guy here that brought the other car, which they used the dolly. The flatbed guy said he needed diesel, but I don't know where he went. So there's like miscommunication here. And he's been here with me for the entire time too. So honestly, I'm getting a little bit frustrated. It's crazy. Man can't do this no more, yo. I tried taking this car out just to heat up the tires and stuff, and end up getting stuck here with no freaking battery. You guys, so pretty much what they're trying to do is they're trying to drag it with the dollies onto the ramp. Reason why? You can't take the parking brake off the car. Yo, I'm really freezing. As you can see, they have the dolly lifted up. Then you have this super low. Obviously, you have the windows that's open, and the door is freely. Ooh. I think that's secured. Oh, okay, that's perfect. So let's see. Do you need to steer the car?
No, it's straight, almost good.
Oh, it's gonna be straight? Okay.
Oh, yeah,
Okay.
that's good.
You guys, I'm gonna go back in the car, yo. I'm cool. You guys, thank God we're back home. Now what we got to do is just to bring this back in here. As you can see, it's on dollies, so they kind of figure out exactly what they're gonna do to bring it down, and I'm gonna put it over there and then pretty much charge it, and hopefully everything works. So yeah, that's the update for now. That's tight. Alright, so now they're gonna put the so yeah, they're putting the 2x4s. It's too low to the ground, so they're gonna have to use the 2x4s. got snow on that. Yo, gotta clean that. Like over there, yo. Oh man. We're never going through this again. Hell no. Alright, you guys, an update. I'm currently sitting in the car right now. It's cold as shit. As you can see in the back, I do have snow over here on my right shoulder, and over there as well. So what I'm waiting for is for them to get the dollies out of the car. I mean, so far so good. I'm gonna get out real soon, and pretty much I'm gonna plug in a trickle charger, and hopefully I get the charger, everything, the battery should be good, and this car gotta go. Honestly, like, yo, I just got it back from the garage and it's already back in here towing again, so that ain't good. So we're gonna let it go, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna keep you guys updated. I'm tired, like real shit.